a language-oriented approach of teaching programming skills. What all the issues we have faced, and how to make effective educations, and could you use your language approach on what necessary condition at the time of use and practice of author, and the lack of efficiency in teaching programming skills. Since the beginning of this century, the spread of web technology has set up a new way of learning IT technology. The author has heard and witnessed that there are obstacles in China's computer-related or software-related majors. More than half of them cannot work in their major after graduations. The Authoritative Solutions of Education Mainstreams in 2006, Janet M. Wing Ting, Dean, Department of Computer Science from CM University, published an article and coined the academic concept of computational thinking. Now, computational literacy or computational thinking courses are widely offered by many colleges and universities in China. The author's opinion in IT technology originated in Europe and the United States, where English is used. Linguistically, English and Chinese are completely different languages. One is a compelled order language, and the other is a pictographic language. For Chinese, there is a language barrier to learning IT technology, probably for many countries. Language analysis of IT professional in work process. Developers in non-English speaking countries need to two language process to convert the native language to English, to feed the English-based programming language to the machine for execution, interact with computers in English. Another way to improve the quality of teaching, the teaching directly in English, work directly in English, so teaching directly in English. English proficiency is very important for student study and thus for their future employment. Teaching reform should choose the classic teaching materials which are in original English. English written teaching materials should be in textbook in technology education. The working scenario of IT stuff, the development of platform used, whether it is Studio, Eclipse, or IntelliJ IDEA, almost all the software development environment is English interface, human-computer interaction, language is English. Almost all the help documents of software development tools are made in English. In the process of testing and debugging software, software engineers mainly obtain software error information through English prompt. The author classes, the theoretical teaching, selecting books, textbook from all language version, choose a suitable this is English, and use problem testing sets in English and execute bilingual or English teachings. So in practice teaching, giving lessons in inventor's native language, demonstrating occupational operating environment in experimental scenes. The objective of the course is a teaching reform is software testing course of software engineering specialty. The course of software testing was divided into two courses, software testing foundation and software testing technology and practice. The importance of technology curriculum teaching in computer related major skills course require the cultivation of hands-on programming ability. Programming course is of great significance to students' employment, postgraduate entrance examination, and career innovation practice. The three conditions need to be met. The first condition is the language used is not the language resident in language teaching. It is engineer teaching, not language teaching. The language of the technology inventor is quite different from the native language of the students. The language is recorded in the course of employing the technology. The author concludes the above. The spreading influence of curriculum reform. The teaching reform promotes the establishment of language-oriented teaching institution. The classroom teaching reform can be extended to the whole school. The computer and software are used all over the world. The language differences are pervasive, so every non-English speaking country can take this approach. More themes that need to be explored. This effort will promote intellectual property protection and respect for originality. However, the author focuses on effectiveness. The theoretical system on the language-oriented approach of teaching should be built. This paper is limited to the technical education, whether the approach can be used in social science educations. And thanks for watching. Thank you.